Hi folks, this is Andres Aldrete with Volkswagen, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install a bike rack. And for the base rack, we're gonna make another video soon so you guys can learn how to do that too. So basically, to install the bike rack, we have two different keys that you're gonna need. One for the base carrier and another one for the bike rack. Basically, what we do first on the base carrier, we unlock it. We unlock this guy to pull these two out, and then you can open the bike rack, this guy, and it's gonna slide out. And then to put it back in, very easy. It has two little squares underneath right here that you have to line them up in order to slide back in. And once this is in, you can tighten it up with this guy right here, and you can lock them up again, and it's really simple. Alright guys, I hope it was helpful. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today. Thank you so much.